Hey guys, this is Mattias Bros, and I'm going to be playing Minecraft Jigsaw with T for TNT. Woo! And who's dying right now? Oh, it's her. Okay, so we're going to be doing Jigsaw, and I already started this, so you might be like seeing I'm already in level 17. Exactly when I get out, see, it says 17. So yeah. No. Guardian. Oh my god. You know how much I hate Guardians? You don't even understand how much I hate Guardians now. No, I thought he was attacking T for TNT. Come on. Yes, I pressed the button. Okay, so now we're in level 18. This is really easy. You just jump through that. Okay, this one can be tricky sometimes. And then sometimes it could just be easy. So, you don't really have to run the whole thing. You just click here. The rest.
I'm trying to get there.
For T for TNT, it's gonna take him a while to get here because his computer, the Mac, is very bad. It's being a bad.
It's just,
no! Oh my god! I just died.
it has lighting.
It's just light. He can't see anything.
I can.
You can, but remember when I saw your screen?
Like, only sometimes.
Yeah, same here. Sometimes I can, but I can at least see the water, but he can't see the water every time. I can see the water at least every time.
I can see the water.
You can? Oh my gosh, then what happened? Okay, let's just wait. Okay, where are you? Where are you?
Just trying to press the button.
Oh. You're an awesome Guardian. You're the best oh, no, he hit me. Are you kidding me? Someone's, like, coming with me. That sucks. Press the button, little girl. Yes! Hard. I died. Very horrible. Very horrible. Hey, T for TNT.
Oh, I died.
Does it matter the length of the YouTube video to actually send it? Look! Oh my god, I know him! He was the one that killed me in Sky Wars. He's killed me in Sky Wars. He was in that other video. Wait, where are you? Level 17. Okay. Guardian? Oh my god. Guardian is going for the guy that killed me. He better die. Die! No! Not me! I have so much to live for! I'm serious. Yes, I pressed it!
I'm trying.
Okay, here comes 19. Okay.
I pressed it.
19, go. After you press the water thing, you like freaking won the whole game. Okay, maybe not the whole thing.
It's just extremely dark.
After you beat 17, you technically beat 18 also. No, I died. The skeleton hit me. The stupid skeleton shot me. Damn, I have to pay for this. Wait, you know how you can get a sponsor?
Yeah.
By making a video and uploading it, a video of this, and then if a person sees it, then you get a sponsor. Oh god. Oh my god, there was two Guardians going after this one girl.
That girl's dead? Dead.
Oh my god, I can see the ground! Yes!
This door will only open if you have the antidote and full hearts.
Dude, I have an idea. Can you do something for me? Okay, make it to level 19, but do not start in level 19. I have a way that I can win and go to level 20 and keep trying until I find out. So you go to number 19. You can go to number 19 and then like don't do it, but like stay at the door and keep getting off the pressure plate and going back on it. And then it'll kill the skeleton and respawn him, and he won't be able to shoot me. And then I could just do it as slow as possible. So of course I'm gonna have to wait for you to make it here. Waiting for the door to work. Okay, the door works for me.
Alright.
I hate this water one. They put way too much guardians. Oh no! One hit me. Okay. Press. Someone hit the button. It wasn't me though, but I know someone did. Come on. Where
I pressed the button.
Okay, go to level 19, but do not do number 19.
Alright.
Oh my god, people, thank you. I'm gonna need you to do something for I can beat I need you to do something for I can beat number 19, okay? It's for I can, and it keeps killing the skeleton and bringing it back to life. So then everyone can pass, because the skeleton won't be able to have enough time to kill. So that's why I want to do it, because then I can actually pass.
Yeah, and remember when you said that you'll wait for me?
What?
Remember when you said that you'll wait for me?
Yeah?
I waited for you. Haha.
What?
Oh, forget it. Alright, if people are watching this video that he's making, alright, then if you guys heard, he said, also I'll have to wait for him on that.
Okay, get off the pressure plate. No, dude! Come back! Oh my god, I never done 19 yet. I haven't done it.
Oh, you're right there.
That wasn't me. Who did you think I was? No! My god! See, this is why. It's so I don't get shoot by the stupid skeleton, but now I'm just getting shot because you didn't freaking do it.
Well, to be honest, I made it, and
it's because if I want to find out the secret thing I have a lot of chances to actually try to do that one jump on level 20 to see how you do it. And then I can tell you, so when you make it, you can do it. So see what I'm talking about? So can you please do it this time? Oh my freaking god, guardians. I'm lagging. Oh god, go down. Oh yeah, I can see the water. I didn't get hit by guardian. I didn't get hit by guardian at all. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for you because I need you to do this.
That was unfair. Alright, don't even have the antidote.
Come on.
Get all the rest, alright? Don't go for me. No! Why are you kidding me? All the guardians literally just went for me out of like 5 people. That was stupid.
I know. I'm just gonna wait for you.
Go ahead, do your thing.
No, but I need you to do it. I can't do it without you because I need you to get on the pressure plane, get off the pressure plane, get on the pressure plane, get off the pressure plane.
You just run. I mean, you just run.
But it's hard. He's gonna kill me again.
wait for my life to heal. Alright, heal.
I just saved the guy and he made it. He was gonna get shot by the skeleton, but then he didn't get shot by the skeleton because I saved his life. By doing the trick that I told you to do. You press the button? Oh. I keep dying because of the skeleton. And I want to see how you make that stupid one jump. So,
Where's the charger of the iPhone?
I don't know. Oh, it's in the office, I think. Come on, Mattias is recording too. What? Yes! La 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 la. Oh look, 99 whatever is a YouTuber. I don't know. Check out my channel. You see this stupid video. Yay! Woo! I'm just kidding. Okay. Cool. What is your channel? I bet he's gonna say his name or tag. Just watch. He's gonna say his name or tag.
Yeah, most of the people who are YouTubers have the name tag as,
By the way, gamer.
not his name or tag.
Okay, now can you do it? You just, okay. Press the button and then get off. Yeah, do this, dude. Do this.
Wait.
Can you do this for me?
Yeah.
Wait. I'm telling him. How much does he have? Hey, look what he asked. And you can see this video. Okay, go.
Stupid skeletons. Oh no! Alright.
Okay, when should I end the video? You know what, guys? Check out T4TNT's video channel and what's his name again?
Forever USA.
Forever USA, and then the other guy that was texting. Yeah. Okay. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.